Organizations like the Legal Aid Society and other public defender organizations around the country are important because the criminal justice system is a very scary place. People ask me, how can I be a public defender? And it sounds kind of corny, but I always tell them, I'm actually upholding the Constitution. You're doing it because you believe in something, which is that everyone deserves representation, especially in a criminal matter. I enjoy doing my job because I have a very supportive environment. But I'm definitely overworked, and I'm definitely not paid enough. We need increased funding because the workload being given to us can't be done by the same amount of staff. It's impossible. The work is only getting harder because we have less attorneys to do the work. I actually think that it's only gonna get worse if things don't get substantially better, because when you don't have security, especially financial security, it's very hard to feel secure in your future, which can affect your ability to perform in the present. My job every day is to come in and represent a human being. The legal aid side not having a budget to support my performance is affecting someone's life. The budget is not being fairly distributed between prosecution offices and public defenders' offices. It just shows that when it comes to public defenders, there's an interest to make sure our clients is fairly represented. Discovery laws and the attrition that the increased workload and not enough pay is causing is a gut punch that plays a huge role in attorneys leaving the office. People who are gonna feel it the worst are gonna be our clients, because they're not gonna have the number of attorneys it needs for them to get the unique and distinct representation that they deserve. Unfortunately, I do not make enough money to support my current lifestyle, and definitely not enough money to build towards bigger dreams, such as starting a family. And because of that, I've had to pick up several odd jobs along the way. One of which is Uber Eats. On the weekend, sometimes after work or after I'm done taking care of my aunt, I'll just click on the app, go online and try to make a couple extra dollars. And then my other job is I'm a home health aide for my aunt. Unfortunately, she was diagnosed with stage 4 cancer in 2019. I help take care of her, and I get paid by Heart to Heart, which is an organization that finances private home health aides.
I came down with this disease and it blew me away. I just didn't know, can't work, can't do, and I've always done for myself. Eugene had to come and give us a hand. He always steps in, no matter what I need, no how little, no matter how big. He's willing and able to help me. And if he can't, he shows me the path. Eugene, as a public defender, makes me feel very, very happy. Because he's able to help people that can't afford help otherwise, money-wise. And he's willing and able to educate them so they learn their rights.
The margin of error for public defenders in New York City and New York State is far too small. We don't have the financial flexibility to respond to family emergencies or to think about our future. And because of the low pay, a lot of public defenders like myself choose between starting a family, looking towards their future, or being a public defender. So I ask City Hall to step up and fund us how we should be appropriately funded. Thank you.